Are you finding it hard to resist the sweet allure of that extra chocolate bar or that sugary soft drink? If so, you might be treading the thin line of sugar addiction. Sugar, a sweet-tasting carbohydrate, is a vital source of energy for our bodies, but too much of it can lead to a host of health problems. So, how do you know if you're consuming more sugar than your body can handle? Let's break it down. Sign number 1, you just can't stop eating. Certain foods are like bottomless pits. You keep eating, but you never seem to feel full. This is a common sign of foods high in sugar content. They don't satiate your hunger and leave you craving for more. Next, if you find yourself constantly yearning for processed carbohydrates like chips, crackers, and bread, you may be under the grasp of sugar addiction. Reducing added sugars in your diet can actually help curb these cravings over time. Ironically, craving salty foods can also be a sign. In processed foods, salt and sugar are often two sides of the same coin. If you find yourself reaching out for that extra bag of chips, you might want to check the sugar content. Craving meat, particularly when you're not hungry, can also indicate a sugar problem. You might actually be craving the sugar-rich sauces and spices that often accompany meat dishes. Now, take a moment to reflect on your typical meals. Are they higher in sugar than they should be? Remember, the recommended 90 grams of sugar per day is a maximum, not a target. If your meals are consistently high in sugar, it might be time to reconsider your diet. Another sign is mood swings. If you're feeling grumpy and moody without reason, sugar might be the culprit. Blood sugar fluctuations can lead to mood changes, especially if your diet includes sugary snacks that cause a quick spike and dip in blood sugar levels. Feeling powerless over sugar is a telling sign too. If you're reaching for that sugary snack even when you don't want to, you might be addicted. Swapping it for a fruit snack with natural sugars could be a healthier option. And finally, do you start and end your day with sugar? If your morning and nighttime meals are loaded with added sugars, it's a clear sign of sugar addiction. So, are you experiencing a mid-afternoon slump? This could be due to a sugar crash caused by a high-sugar lunch. Recognizing these signs is the first step towards breaking free from sugar addiction. Start by tracking your daily sugar intake. You might be surprised to find that it's way beyond the recommended 90 grams a day. But don't worry, it's never too late to make healthier choices. Opt for natural sugars found in fruits and vegetables instead of processed foods. Remember, a balanced diet is the key to a healthier, happier life.